Welcome to Worldskills Germany 2022 in Stuttgart. Here on the back you see the competitors working with the magnetic cards. In the blue box down there you can see this is a training box from DWA developed from Achim Oechel, the wastewater expert from Bonn. We developed that in 2010 and since then it's working all over the places, and here the participants have to show a flowchart of a wastewater treatment plant. There are more than 50 cards. You can use them different way. You have to choose them, and you have to really lay a good flowchart so you can show that you understand what is the wastewater treatment plant process. There are also available different other magnetic cards for biogas working in the street. There's also drinking water box available from the Bavarian school. So this is a way of teaching to visualize the processes for the students for the vocational training. That's a very successful box used here in Worldskills Germany 2022.